Now look at the language which you normally use. ये लोग बॉस लोगों को पता क्या होता है हम क्या करते हैं? बॉस लोगों को पता क्या होता है हम क्या करते हैं? They don't know. They're not aware of the reality. But however, they have a very important part to play. Maybe they are the ones who are stretching through it.
बॉस को हमेशा लगता है कि ये लगता है
Stretch. Target.
Can you imagine?
साइड से फोन करके दे रहा नहीं हो रहा है.
So it's very, very. It's very. Imagine now, बड़ा एक हिसाब का सा मैं huge example देने वाली हूँ. तो air hostess कहते से take the oxygen mask first on your own and then put it on others. Right? It's a very abused example, but I like. Obviously, first WhatsApp university में भी आता है. So. Help yourself first and and no one is stopping you to help others to laugh at others. But first take your own responsibility. First balance yourself. First know what I'm supposed to do. Right? So that's very important to balance. To keep your weight on yourself. Half the problems of the entire organization goes for a toss. If you balance yourself, if you are responsible. You all agree? And out of box thinking भी आ जाएगी. तो boxing नहीं रहेगा तो thinking तो ऐसे ही आदत हो जाएगी. Right? Boxes में तो हम डालते हैं